Lionel, you ready? Okay, act busy. Yo, Lionel, what's for lunch?
Ciao amici!
Ciao.
Today we are making marinara sauce. Marinara is the coarser version of pomodoro, and marinara does not contain seafood. Everybody always thinks that, oh my god. So this is a very good sauce for those who are at home who don't want to buy store-bought sauce. But actually, honestly, store-bought sauce is bad, real bad. Okay, why there's a lot of preservatives? Mine is natural. Okay, so let's start. First, I'm going to put some olive oil inside. Okay, sofritos are the Italian version of
the French mirepoix.
The French mirepoix. Yeah, correct.
Okay, for those who don't know, mirepoix and sofrito is aromatic vegetables.
Yep, which is onions, carrots, and celery. This is the base for everything. My onions go in. I'm going to saute them at medium-high heat. I want to sweat them.
Right.
I want to make them sweat. They need to exercise. And also is to bring out the sweetness of the onions. Yeah. You know, I'm also very sweet, so I sweat a lot.
You're complex and have many layers.
But they make me cry too. They're emotionally unstable.
I cannot.
Alright, you see, it's sweating nicely. And you see that the color has changed. It has become a bit translucent. That's what you want. It doesn't go in. Onion sweat. This one saute. Cooking is very therapeutic. To all the viewers out there, you know, if you're looking at this, you know, try to cook more. It's going to go inside.
Okay, whole basil, like
yes, whole basil. Because later you're gonna blend them up. Basil. I love basil.
Yeah, basil smells
Italian
good.
love basil, tomato, and cheese. I love them three too. It's like the Italian flag. That's why the margarita pizza has always 3 colors.
So this is the red now.
Yes, then now we have the red. 30 grams of sugar.
Alright.
Okay. 30 grams of salt and a bit of pepper.
Nice.
Boil, then simmer for about 30 minutes until your carrots, celery, and your onions are soft. Let's wait. Okay, so this has been stewed for half an hour, or I say just cook for half an hour. So now I'm going to transfer into this picture here. This is where I'm going to blend my tomato sauce. This is not pomodoro, this is marinara. Marinara, you want to blend it at medium speed. The higher you go, the smoother it becomes, and then it becomes pomodoro or your pizza sauce. Okay. Okay, so this goes go in. Oh my god. Can you hear that? There's still a bit of liquid, it's still very liquidy, right? Now this is what you want for marinara. Nice pan.
High heat?
High heat first. Get it done. Get it nice and hot.
When's your last date?
Stop!
Okay, sure.
Yeah, this is an ad. I'm available.
Okay, is the pan as hot as you?
Hello? Yes, it's hot. Actually, how you test a pan, very simple, you know. Lyson frost effect. See? Can you see that? Can you see that?
Okay.
This is the effect that you want. It means your pan is hot. It's science. Look at the sauce. Can you hear that sound? Can you hear that sound? Can you please hear that sound? This is fresh fettuccine.
Okay, made by Chef Lionel.
Of course, everything's by me. I'm Italian, you know. No, I'm Singaporean Italian. Now goes in for 2 minutes. Just take 1 ladle of the pasta water, as you always. Pasta water, the grill. Okay, maybe 1.5. That's aggravation. This is the holy grail of pasta. Pasta water. Parmesan cheese. This much goes in. I'm just going to stir it around. It's going to mix in Italian MSG lah. You see, 2 minutes is just nice. You see, it's turning pale. This is fettuccine. I'm going to put this in. I need my tongs.
You're wearing them.
That's a very question that I will not want to answer.
It's not a yes or it's not a no.
Okay, so you can see it's beautiful red. Alright, we're done with fresh fettuccine marinara. Supposed to be just nice coating the pasta. Okay.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella cheese.
Shrek.
Olive oil. Black pepper. And we're done. So simple.
So simple.
Subscribe to Forecast for more fucking good videos. Enjoy.
Thank you, Chef Lionel.
You're welcome. Eat well, live well, sleep well.
Sleep well.
Oh my god, sleep well. Oh my god.
Cut.